If you are in your 20s right now, then everything you were told about building a career is probably wrong. Means getting good grades, get a degree, and get a job is now totally broken. CS graduates now have higher unemployment than art history majors. And this is all because of AI, which is changing everything so faster than schools can keep up. Hey everyone, this is Minhaj and today I'm going to share some points which is from this podcast which is about how to spend your 20s in AI era. So yesterday I was watching that podcast. It is from Combinator. I hope you might be knowing it. It's world's one of largest startup accelerator. So these guys from Combinator are talking about this, and from that podcast I have taken some points which I'm going to share with you. And these points I'm sharing on behalf of that podcast, which we should know because we guys are also in our 20s. So whatever we are doing right now in our career, we should also have to keep in mind these points. So I'm going to talk about these points one by one. Number one, which is the old career playbook is dead, in which they were talking about your degree isn't your safety net anymore. Earlier it used to be like our computer science degree used to guarantee our jobs, but now the CS employment is higher than art history majors. You might be seeing a lot of news of layoffs that many companies are doing, and even for the first time you might be heard of even IITians are not getting job. So this is all stuff you might be seeing around yourself. In that podcast they were telling that companies are caring more about what you can build than where you studied. And we should stop relying on our credentials, on our degrees alone. Instead of that, we should also be learning some real life skills and we should be solving some real life problems. Number two, develop agency and independent thinking. Agency means taking ownership of problems and solving them. They were telling that like AI is doing all our routine tasks, means day-to-day tasks, whatever we are doing repeatedly, daily. These AI are doing very easily. So now we need to be focused on more creative tasks that is necessary to solve any problem. Our values come from creativity and initiative, and these two things will separate us from the crowd. And also one thing they were talking about is think ourselves, don't just follow the instruction whatever you are given, maybe from your instructor or maybe from this AI. Whatever problem you are searching on these AI, they were providing a lot of answers, but in spite of that, also think of yourself as well. Third point is traditional education is falling behind. Like whatever skills we are learning previously, those are basically yesterday's skill. And for today and tomorrow, we have to evolve so fast by keeping in mind how everyone is evolving in this world. And in particular, they were talking about technology. So they were talking like many universities still ban AI coding tools, which should not be happen. And because of these things, students are not graduating from universities with real world AI experience. And instead of this, we guys are learning outdated methods while AI is being advances rapidly. So they were totally enforcing to learn AI tools even outside of our school and colleges. Means by ourselves we should focus on these things. Point number 4, build real projects, not just resume. Where they were talking about just show the project, don't tell with actual work. Side projects build perfect CGPAs, build prototype that solve real problems, practical walkthrough abilities. And they were basically telling that one working app is worth more than 10 college projects. Fifth point, adopt a forward deployment mindset, where they were talking about whatever you are working on, whatever problem you are solving, just be close to actual users and observe how people actually work, iterate based on real feedback, and try to embed yourself where the problems are. Point number 6, which is very important for me, I don't know about you, which is about master storytelling as a strategy, where they were talking about protect your ideas with clear narratives, explain why your work matters, make your vision easy to understand. One thing they mentioned that people can't steal what they don't understand. This statement is very great. If you will go deep, then you will realize many things. And last point, last but not least, live in the future, not the present. Where they were talking about build for what's coming next. Don't just follow current trends. Imagine where the technology is heading. Build solution for future problems. Where they were saying that think 2 to 3 years ahead, not just 2 to 3 months, and try to predict as much as thing possible to you. So these are some points I had noted down from that podcast. This podcast can be very important for you to grow in your 20s in the era of AI. So that's it for this video. I shared this stuff, whatever I noted down. These were some points that I noted down for myself, but I thought I should share with you as well. And at last, I just want to say, your degree won't save you, your skills will. AI fluency is now very essential, not optional. Build real world things that solves real world problems. And also think independently, take ownership of your problem and try to solve it. And one thing I want to say, position for yourself for the future, not just for today. And at last, I want to say one of my favorite thing that I always say in all of my videos, this AI era will reward builders, not just learners. Just go and pick any AI tool and master it. And with the help of that AI, try to build something great and focus on solving actual problems. So yeah, I'm wrapping up this video here. What do you think about this stuff? Make sure to comment below and like this video if you got anything from this video. And don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icons for more such videos. Until next time, keep building and keep exploring.